uRamaphosa usigxekile isenzo se-DA sokushisa ifulegi laseNingizimu Afrika. Lesi sikhangiso se-DA sicasule abantu abaningi baseNingizimu Afrika abasola leli qembu ngokudelela ifulegi ukuze kugqame izinselelo izakhamizi ezibhekene nazo. Esitatimendeni ngoLwesibili, uMengameli uthe, "Nakuba ezibophezele ekukhulumeni ngokukhululeka, kodwa lokhu kumele kusetshenziswe ngenhlonipho kubo bonke abantu futhi akubhebhethekisi izinxushunxushu emphakathini nodlame."
With regard to the burning of the flag, even in a political advert, that is treasonous. The flag of our country is a sacred article in the life of our country. It is that flag that unites all of us. It is despicable that a political party can, as it seeks to express itself, go and burn the symbol of our unity, the symbol of our existence as a nation. And I think it is treasonous because anybody, particularly an organization that does something like that for political expediency, should really be ashamed of themselves, because it is the most despicable political act that anyone can embark upon, particularly when they are campaigning for votes, because you're voting now for a party that wants to destroy South Africa, that wants to destroy the symbol that unites all of us. And what will you be voting for? Because all we want is to build South Africa, to unite the people of South Africa around the flag. People die for the flag of a nation. People, they rally around the flag of a nation. And it is about us. And so they are destroying that unity, that identity that we all...
Emkhankasweni wakhe, uMnumzane Ramaphosa uvumile ukuthi zikhona izinkinga ezweni, kodwa wabuye wagcizelela uguquko olwenziwe eNingizimu Afrika kule minyaka engu-30 edlule. I-ANC yayihola umzabalazo wokulwa nokubuswa kwabamhlophe kanye nendlela esemthethweni yokucwaswa ngokwebala eyaziwa njenge-apartheid. Abantu baseNingizimu Afrika bafunde kakhulu, banamandla futhi banempilo kakhulu kunangesikhathi sobandlululo, kusho uRamaphosa. Sibonke indlebe, sicela usubscribe ukuze uzothola ezilandelayo. Inkanyezi News.